Guys, it's me, Ali. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at my hair. Hey guys, so I'm back with my hair fixed, and I have a cold at the minute, so my voice sounds strange on camera. Then it's pretty weird. This might be a 1-part 2 video, or maybe a full series. I'm gonna be roasting a few YouTubers. So I'm gonna be starting off with my friend Hurler Gamer that you might see in a few of my Roblox videos, and here's one that I've been working on. Hurler Gamer, more like makes me hurl gamer. Okay, look at this Roblox character. Look at that hair. Soft hair? More like rough hair. Okay, that's weird. Yeah, I can't think of any more. We'll keep you updated. If I think of another roast, then that'll probably be a part 2. But this is just be a really short video. And next one will probably be Noah. So, looking for you next, Noah. Boy.